gorgeous people, and happy Easter. I hope everybody's having a nice holiday out there. Today is Surprise Sunday, and on this video, I have for you friend mail. Guys, this was a surprise friend mail for me, so without further ado, let's see what I got. Okay, guys, so I got 2 pieces of friend mail delivered to my house. One of them was from Linda Roy, and her channel is called Mature Sass. And then I had a package delivered from Joy, and her channel is called Joy Keeps You on Your Toes. So we'll go ahead and start with the card from Linda. And again, her channel is called Mature Sass. If you guys haven't checked Linda out, you must go see what she has going on her channel. She has all kinds of fun lookbooks that she does with like Pinterest inspired looks and stuff. It's so very cool. You guys must check her out. If you haven't, make sure you make your way over there after you're done watching this video. Okay, let's go ahead and see what the card says, guys. So fun. Oh, how cute. It says Happy Easter, and it looks very springy with all the flowers and the little bunny. How cute is that? Love it, love it. And then it says, Amber, hope your Easter is bright with the sweetest things a warm and happy springtime brings. Enjoy every happy moment. Love and prayers, Linda. How very nice. Well, thank you, Linda. I appreciate you taking the time to send us a card. Very much appreciated. Okay, so then I got a package from Joy, and I was not expecting this package. She did mention to me that she was doing a friend mail list too, and that she put me on her list. So I'm really excited to see what's inside here because this was a very pleasant surprise. So, woo! Here's my box. Look how nice she decorated it. Obviously, I blacked out her addresses here, but she has all these cute little flowers all around the box, all different color papers. How cute is this box? So cute, guys. Okay, so I think this is going to take me a little while to open. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and pause it. I'll open the box and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but I didn't want to bore you while I struggled and tried to open up this box. So I have it opened, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Let's go ahead and tear in because I'm dying to see what's in here. Ooh, we have a card on top. Here we go. That's cute. Okay, oh, it's got nice little, it goes this way. It has flowers on it. Very pretty, very spring-like. Let's open it up. It says, Amber, hello, lady. Wanted to say thank you for the amazing friend mail you sent me. Just returning the favor. Hope you enjoy everything. If not, pass it on to someone who will. Have a wonderful day, Joy. Oh, that's really sweet. Okay. All right. Let's see what's in here because I'm dying to see. This looks like, oh, this is, you hang it up. This is awesome. It says sarcasm welcomed. It's like a little, you know, see at the back here where you would hang it up. So that's very cool. And sarcasm is always welcomed. I'm a walking, talking sarcasm person. Does that make sense? Sure. Great. All right, let's move on. Woo! This is packed full. All right, let's go ahead and dig in here. Oh, yes. Ultra low liner. So these are for when you wear your shoes where you won't be able to see. You see? Do you see? So they're like liners for when you're wearing your shoes. Very nice, very cool. And it's shoe size 5 to 10, so obviously I'll be able to wear them. Awesome, awesome. Totally can use these. Okay, what else do we got? Ooh, so we have some really pretty color lipstick and like, what is this called? A lip gloss. Here we go. Ellen Tracy. Okay, so let me show those to you. Very nice. I will definitely keep those for myself. Yeah, for sure. I mean, I rock just about any color. You know, it's so funny because the other day, not to get off topic here, but the other day I was with some friends. I was delivering that diaper cake, and I was like, you know, doesn't everybody pick out their hair when they're picking out their clothes? I'm just saying, you know, just like you pick out some shoes to go with the outfit, I pick out my hair too. What's the big deal? I thought that was a normal thing. Apparently it's not. Okay, so, oh, we have these cool clippies. Awesome. Look at that. Love, love, love. Yes. Totally use those for sure. Pull my hair back when I'm like, you know, getting ready and stuff like that. You know, my real hair, not the fake hair. Okay. Ooh, awesome. Bath bomb, honey and pear. Yes, this is awesome, guys, because again, I don't take baths, but my son obviously does take a bath, and I like putting these in the bath water for him. So that'll be really cool. Let's set that aside. Ooh, we have some Impress nails. Oh, these are pretty. A pretty red. Look at that, guys. So pretty. Yes, guys, obviously, do the fake nails all of the time. So yeah, this will definitely be something that I would use. Oh my goodness, she's got so much stuff in here. How fun is this? This is Robotic Skincare So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Tula Skincare. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Love it, love it, love it. All right, I'll definitely give it a try. Why not? It's in the box. Ooh. This is where the weight was coming from. Blueberry lavender. Oh, that sounds like heaven. It's a soy scented candle. So there's the top of the candle, guys. Here's the candle. And I am going to pop this puppy open and smell it. Oh, yes. Ah, that smells so good. Yes, I burn candles all the time, and she has another one in here too. This one is a peach skin, right? And mint. Peach skin. You guys tell me if I messed that up. There's the color of the candle. Awesome, awesome. Oh my gosh. Yes, I love candles. I love candles. And almost every single scent. I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys I love every scent, but I do love those ones. So awesome. What is this? Oh, extendable massager. Awesome. Yes. I don't have anybody to massage me. And you know what, guys? I would never go to a professional place. I don't know. I just don't want people touching me. So, yeah, this will definitely come in handy. I'm just goofy about that kind of stuff. I mean, you have to get, like, completely naked and then somebody's rubbing their hands all over your body. I'm just not down for that unless you're my, significant other. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's see what else we have in here. So fun. Okay, let's open this up. She's got it bubble wrapped, guys. So let me open it up here. See what, oh my gosh, stop it. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, let me take this out of it. Hold on. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this. How fun. I don't know if she made this or not, or somebody else did, but oh my gosh, I love it. Look, I'm sorry. I'm looking at it. I love it. Guys, it says Amazar's DIY and other stuff. How cute. So she personalized a mug for me. It has a tree on it, and then it has my channel name again right here. How cute is that? Oh, I love it. I love it. I mean, I just love it. Oh my gosh. This is awesome, guys. This is the kind of stuff that I just love. Joy, this is awesome. I love this. I mean, I really do. I love it, love it, love it. I definitely don't want to really use it though. I want to just put it on display. So again, this will be something great for my craft studio when I get it together. You guys keep providing me with stuff, and that's going to give me the motivation to get her done. I love that, Joy. I mean, I just love that. That is so adorable. Okay, there's a couple more things in here, guys. Wrapped up. Surprise, surprise. You're awesome. Oh, that's cute. It's like a trinket dish. And, it's like one of those, bubble thingamabobbers, and it says you're awesome. That is really cute. I love it. So I'll put maybe my rings on there or something. Super cute. Okay, we get a couple more things. Oh, this is cute. It's a garden wind chime, and it's a butterfly. Look at that, guys. Oh, how cute is that? That is going to be great, guys. So finishing up all of my, stuff on my deck. That is happening, and it's going to be finished soon, I hope. And I'm also finishing up the landscaping around the house, so I would definitely find a perfect home for this. Thank you so much. Yes, I would definitely find an awesome home for that. That is so cool. Okay, then we have a fragrance sachet 2-packet. Enjoy every moment, delight, and relax in the pleasures of continuous fine fragrance wherever you like. Awesome. So what's the scent? I don't know what the scent. Oh, lilies. Lilies. I think it's like a lily scent. So that's nice. Isn't this something that you like put in drawers and stuff like that? I think that's what you do with these. I'm not really sure. But yeah, that's probably what I'll do with it. I'll probably stick it in one of my dresser drawers. Okay, so then we have an eye mask. This one is zebra print. Cute, right? I don't sleep with an eye mask on because I just feel like I have to see what's going on. If you guys know what I mean. So this is really cool. I will probably pass that off to one of the kids though. I think that they would like it. Okay, then we have You Did Not Wake Up to Be Mediocre. That's right, girl. I sure did not wake up to be mediocre. And none of you guys should either. This is awesome. I really like this. So this will definitely be something that will go in my craft studio most likely. I might put it in this closet though, because I do have decor in my closet. Does that make sense? Like my shoes are decorations. I mean, I feel like they are. And then I have like random shoe decorations. Does that make sense? Not at all, does it? But I have like shoe paintings and stuff like that in my shoe closet. Everybody does that, right? I'm just saying. Okay, this is awesome. I'm definitely going to have a nice, awesome home for that. And this is wrapped up. Let's take a look at what's in here. Let's see. Bubble wrapped up very securely. Ooh. This looks to be, oh, that's so cool. So it's like a Day of the Dead skeleton. Okay, hopefully I can get this for you guys. Like the Day of the Dead skeleton, and I believe it's a bracelet. So pretty. Look at that, guys. So let's take a look on my wrist. Check it out. Awesome, awesome. Okay, that's very cool. I bet you she made this because she's definitely dabbling and making jewelry and stuff. So that's awesome. I love handmade. I really love the mug too. I just adore stuff like that. It's so awesome. And for somebody to take the time to do that just means so much. It really is. Ooh, these are pretty. Ooh, look how pretty these are. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, guys, let me do one of these numbers. Look at that. So pretty. I bet you she made these because, like I said, she is into making jewelry now. So this is so awesome. Oh, my gosh, those are beautiful. I love it. And there's actually one more thing in here. Let me see if I can get it out delicately here. And, oh, how pretty. It is a necklace to match the bracelet. The earrings. How pretty is that? Oh, that is awesome. Oh, I just love it. That is perfect. Perfect. Thank you. Actually would go with what I have on right now, wouldn't it? Yeah, it sure would. Absolutely. Very cool. I'm going to put all that stuff back in there because I definitely don't want to lose it. You guys will definitely see me wearing that on the channel. And there is one more thing in here, a word hunt. Yes! You guys know how I love doing those silly little puzzle things that they put in my mystery box of awesome. This is awesome. I love doing this kind of stuff. I think it's fun and it just passes the time, you know, especially if I'm sitting around waiting. Like, I take stuff like this to like the doctor's office and stuff like that because I just get bored. You know what I mean? Just sitting there. I feel funny being on my phone. I know everybody's on their phone, but I feel funny being on my phone. So I'll just take like a word hunt or something like that. I'm just saying, that's what I do. Joy! Wow! What a lovely box of goodies. And so unexpected. This was so unexpected. Joy, oh my gosh, I just love. Yay! This is so awesome. I love everything that you sent to me, of course, but the mug is so super cute. I really just adore that mug. Everything. I love everything. What is there to pass on? Oh, I'm going to pass the mask on to my niece because I do believe she does wear the eye mask. But other than that, everything's for me. Hello. Great job, Joy. I love everything, girl. Thank you so much. And like I always tell you guys, I'm not saying that Joy did this, but anytime I send something to you, please do not feel obligated to send me anything at all. That's not why I do it. It's just my way of showing my appreciation for you guys taking the time to watch my videos and giving me all of the support for my channel. And just as a friend, I really appreciate it. So that's just the way that I show my appreciation. So I really appreciate this, Joy. If you guys have not checked out Joy's channel, she does a lot of awesome, and I do mean awesome makeup looks. So make sure that you jump over and check her out. I will definitely have everything linked in the description box below. Linda, thank you again for the beautiful card. I really appreciate it. It's so nice to let people know that you're thinking about them, and I just so very much appreciate it. So happy Easter to all of you guys out there, and enjoy the rest of your day. I will catch you in my next video. Bye! Today's Surprise Sunday, and it's Easter Sunday! So happy Easter to everybody out there. I don't know what to say after that. Nailed it! Try it again. Her channel is called Joy Keeps You on Your Toes. So we'll go ahead and start with the card from Linda. Try it again. You're a train wreck. Okay, guys. So I got 2 things in my house. Not my P.O. box. Came to my house. Try it again.